See this one here?
Well, in the next couple of days, when would be good for me to come by?
Yeah. Stay on the same
I'm
line
gonna
that you was on there.
for you. The guy's supposed to come. Well, he came, but he's supposed to come back. And he's gonna let me know what he can do.
Who's that?
So I'm just gonna, his name's
Who's my
Adam.
competition?
You like it?
Adam.
What company?
Adams. I think it's Adams. Yeah.
You bet me long on
Yeah. Because if I look at your whole
on the
scope,
stage.
I could see
You
if
like it?
there's other things that
You know what?
they could have missed.
Uh-huh.
No, I'm not just looking at the
It's
room.
after you bet me
Looking
the
at
stage.
the whole
I told you, Bishop.
Oh.
I said, look at this one.
And that's what I'm gonna do. If I can find some more.
You see? If it was this one, it'd be high enough. Right? You agree with me now?
And then
I don't know. The problem is like
use it for maybe you have some interior images. Do you have any
never
leaks inside?
give pass to the 50.
No. You don't
Might have
want
been
to go
some on the
past the
wall.
bridge, but you gotta be about 20 feet off your roof.
Are you gonna be here for a few more minutes?
Thank you.
Can I look at your scope while I'm showing you?
No, it's not. It's big like that one?
5 feet.
So look at this. Here.
That's like.
Get up.
I take that.
Oh. Let me see the one you did. I'm gonna go look at that.
Venga, ponle el tecito ahí, mamá. Por favor. Venga, va para ese cuartito para la llave. Por favor. Me anda un poco vergonzoso el pedo con todo. ¿Cuál necesito? Para el baño de allá. Lo tienes que cortar del lado de allá. Mira. Ahí.
No, I'm good. Okay.
Aquí la cara. Por favor, ahí mero. Oh, Paipa. Ahorita te viene el vídeo para acá. Puras cochinadas.
We needed 4 feet, because 5 is too much. But the one that was there before that, this is the one you had before? That's too short. It's 3 feet?
You gotta learn videography.
We need 4. We
I
need
had you
4.
schooled and taught.
I told you, you gotta go over there.
Well, why didn't you go over there?
Because I can't go over there. My leash is over
I
here.
agree.
Oh, I gave you a leash.
Stuff over there.
I gave you a leash.
It was good.
You said you couldn't take the leash out of there. You had trouble with it. I taped it on there.
The leash would be there.
There it is.
A ver, ponla. Sí, más. Más. Por favor, sí, que la pongas, ponla y ahorita que la pongas. ¿Te paso el río?
Alright, so we need a 3-foot section.
Shearson has.
So I'm gonna get a 3 foot. So you was wrong and I was wrong.
Why?
Because when I said 5 feet, that was too much.
Yo no sé si tú puedes hacer verdad, porque yo
You know what? Because I'm gonna have the inspector stop by here, look at it. I'm gonna let him look at it. Okay? What if he like it? What you gonna do?
All I hear is longhorns,
I know.
red lobster, and I didn't eat lunch.
Right. I'm hungry as hell too, man.
Güey, necesito que la muevas para acá, poquito, güey. Bueno, ahorita.
¿Dónde?
Your camera. Except it's terrible, we can't see it.
Ya está. So what you want to
Oh,
roll
you
pipe?
got 10, 12,
Yeah. You see, let me show you this right
you
here.
got 10, 12 pitch.
Just one stick. You see this hole here?
Yeah, he's got 30.
You just come in
Yep.
as close to
3
this side.
tab.
You come
Güey,
in
güey, espérate, ¿viste el hoyo, güey?
and then elbow
¿Viste el
down.
hoyo? Ese. Yo no tengo. Es un de gol, güey, y that's it. Cosa. Muy bien.
middle here. That's okay, the elbows.
So you have an addition, a little back addition on your house, or front level?
Now, but see, up here, it don't matter because it's not story. We don't care.
Sub-room, front level?
Like a bonus room.
Yeah, see the light?
That's in the front then?
Front and the back goes to the front to the back.
Front to
Or
the
like a
back.
large.
Oh, wait,
bonus room.
how about,
That's what
can
you're talking about.
can you, just take it. It's cool. Because this is not exposed.
How bad are your
Because
gutters?
what I was gonna say, is we
Pretty
come in.
Are there lots of dents?
Can we elbow and then elbow?
Walls are full.
Yeah.
How's your cars?
Yeah, straight through, and then
Cars
one
do.
elbow,
Oh,
and then drill. That's it.
We're gonna pull it a little off the wall, but not.
Well, it's already gonna be off the wall.
Okay.
See where, you see we wanna ride right with that shoe.
Espérate, güey.
So when he elbows, he's gonna be sitting like right, yeah. Oh shit. He's gonna be sitting right here at the end of the, this is where.
Ahí la quiere.
Right.
¿Quieres?
Man, your lights are all in my way, man.
Hey guys, I'm sorry about that. I mean, I know lights go last,
Yeah.
but there was just no way around it with this. All the weird exposures and things like that. There was just no way.
Are you having your siding and your gutters done?
Not the whole sign, just some of them.
So everything is gonna be done that's on this strip. That's what I'm getting at.
Yeah.
What colors? No siding, no? No siding?
Yeah.
Not all the siding, just the ones
What
that got
color?
damaged.
What color?
It's like it's gray.
Gray.
Like gray.
We may have some of that. We got 3 boxes we were gonna throw away. That was all beige and white. I was like, man, I could use that beige and white. I could make that work, but
Yeah.
no, you can't. You can't make it do. It's one color.
Vamos a cerrar este blanco, vamos a hacer pues.
Yeah, we can't have all those different colors on there.
Su desarmador está al lado.
¿Tú crees que es así, papá? Debería quitar esto, ya está. ¿Dónde vamos? Hasta allá.
¿De dónde dejamos los dos?
Ya estábamos
A
ahí.
las 12.
Ya, y a las 12 y tiran. El motor no ve.
Compa, carnal.
¿Cuánto quieres de distancia?
That's it? I don't know what he said.
¿Distancia de dónde?
Para donde va a bajar ahí.
¿A dónde va a quedar?
Ahí por tu cabeza, por ahí. A donde se pueda meter el codo.
¿Y otro minuto usted?
¿Ah, sí?
Ajá.
Pero más para allá, ¿no? Para que no te quede de bajada.
Ahí se de 4 pies.
¿Cuánto pies?
¿Seguro?
Yeah, I could probably work with you, definitely. Like I said, about I'm not allowed to be industrial, but we can work through that. Give you some sign credit, some kind of referral fee, stuff like that, to help out.
Dígame, don Mario.
So you'll give me the last word after you talk to Adams?
Dígame, don Mario.
I
Adams?
will. I will.
All right, and you can look us up on the internet, Roofer Direct, we're
It's on the
A.
card?
Mhm, it's on the card. We're A on the Better Business Bureau. We don't take any money up front, so you're not getting, don't give them any money.
He did half of Stockbridge. He did a lot of work down there, man.
Roofer Direct is that we're all over there. I just am getting back toward Marietta because it's been busy. us up.
Ya está, no, pero acá.
We'll help you out and get you taken care of
No,
the right way.
Make sure you
And
keep
we're
her name in
local.
the loop.
We're local. So
Okay.
there's a lot of out of town people, but I think Adams, I've heard of them,
Sale.
if I recall. I think they're a local company too, but I don't know for sure. I try, it's hard enough to keep up with myself.
Yeah. Alright.
I thank you for the opportunity. Have a good day.
What's wrong?
Gotta go to the forest and I gotta put down the phone.
You want me to go do it too?
You can do it? You can do it?
What's that?
You can put a forest?
Just put the phones in?
Yeah.
I got a forest.
That's what it is?
Pay you $200 to go do it. Cash now.
What you gonna do?
Don't do it.
Take out the old forest, put the new one, and then you wire stuff out there.
You gonna send help with him? You gonna send somebody help?
200, I don't care, you can.
Get somebody from Home Depot?
Just take out, put the forest and that's it. You can do the other way. Just give me $30 and
That's
the
it.
other way.
That's how much it costs? $30?
Or what?
To get the guys from Home
We
Depot?
pay by the hour, $10.
What if it takes them 8 hours?
They skin, they feel like how they work. If he's going to 500, maybe he'll take all day.
He might not be as fast as you.
And then I got 10 apartments tomorrow. 8 apartments
No,
tomorrow.
aquí eres hijo de la chingada, ¿no? ¿Qué? ¿De qué estás ahí? Estoy checando que no
They're like, you guys don't make me laugh.
no.
These guys go to morning this morning. The other guy.
Is that 3613?
The other guy, I pay $20 every day.
Yes.
And then you don't want, you don't
Well,
want.
let's do a 391
I said to put the
3613.
food over there, and I said, do the food.
Yes.
You know, it's not much.
391
All the rest.
3613.
Échame el codo.
Like he make it, no? Yeah, I pay $100 every day, so. Right or not right? Yeah, I'd say maybe I pay $80 for somebody else. I pay the state salary, we don't work, but I pay $100 every day. Cash.
Hello, Abacus, this is Jeffrey.
He said he don't have food.
Yeah, I'm sending you a text about Farley. Mr. Farley, Fred Farley was the inspector for Atlanta Gas and Light. And so I did a preliminary sign of the work order, activate it. The next step will be to get a check to that department or to him so that they can put it on the schedule.
If you don't have the right, you don't do that. If you don't do that, you gotta send it to the.
Bro,
Yeah, well, I mean, it's almost one and the same. It was, what, $350 to run the gas line, and I worked with Jermaine on it.
Right there?
And we were gonna use a flex duct. Sorry, not flex duct. We were gonna use a flex line. But we were gonna have to step it from 1 inch to 3/4 to half because of the new sized unit and the fitting on the back end of the gas. So either way, this way he can run a hard pipe directly straight down instead of using a flex duct. I'm not real happy about that flex duct, especially up in an angle. You know, that's just me. But essentially, it's one and the same, about the same price, $62. But it does move the gas meter back where all the utilities are. Yeah.
You wanna take it out?
Hey.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, actually, this is like a PVC. It's kind of like the gas lines that they put in there. Yeah. Like they bury in the ground.
You got a big place for your make, you put it on.
Oh yeah, and you know you've got a lot of low voltage up there, and I don't know. My preference would be not to have that gas line. Same with the HVAC guy goes. Ideally, you put it as close to the source as possible. Yeah, and once I agree. Yeah, and once we drywall that attic drop, you know, it's gonna be hard to service it. We had a couple of hiccups on the HVAC system. Let me tell you, this unit we put in is a lot bigger than I thought it was. So we had some rotation of it to make sure we had to make it work. But I'm sitting here watching the guys do it. It's looking amazing. Okay.
6 o 10. 6 o 10. 10.
Cabeza.
Ahora sí, mira, ¿dónde quieres?
Yeah, me too. We got a little bit of work to do below the loss to reset some of those. But he's going to finalize that. So I tell you, I think so far all the little designs. One of the lights was stacked on one of the registers.
¿Le pusiste la paipita, bro?
Ya, acá estoy.
Para taparla.
Ya, ¿dónde?
Dame chance. Un poquito más para arriba.
Arriba y enfrente.
Más para aquí. Ahí mero, más.
Just in the middle of texting. Yes, I must have put the talk button. So I'll finish that text and you'll see it in a couple of minutes. All right, now I guess we'll meet tomorrow at 10.
¿Qué más? Ya.
Sí, carnal.
Thank you. And this
Acá estoy los calzones.
One.
Hey, Victor, you see this makes 3? Why you laugh, Victor? Why you laugh? It's no good? You don't like that? Piece it together? You don't like piecing it together? This could go on the furnace. This my message?
Yes.
You
You don't want to put mastic in the nose? You want to leave like that or you paint it?
I don't want to put mastic on it because it's going to make it look like, you know, like we trying to do something else.
I think it's great.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Also, let me.
Yeah, you know you can also paint that, Jack.
Yeah, we don't want to paint it.
You want to keep it a silver.
We're going to keep have the exposed beams, exposed rafters, and everything's going to be bright.
Most people, when they do it 2 ways. They either paint it the same color that paint and seal it above. The color that the scheme of the room is.
We're going to leave it galvanized. We got galvanized pencils.
Oh, cool.
It's going to look good. It's going to look pretty industrial.
Yeah.
I'll meet with them tomorrow. I told them we did some changes.
Yeah.
I said, you know, we're shifting the ducts. I said it's a big unit they put in. I said it looks really good.
That's it?
Yeah.
Let me look at you. Really impressed.
Only thing, and I can fix this, because I wanted you to do it just so, because I didn't know where his sheetrock was going to be, but we good. We straight.
What you want to paint?
I gotta show them so he can show me, because the sheetrock doesn't go where everything else goes, and our duct has to be outside of the sheetrock. But I can fix it. It's all good. It's all good.
Yeah.
I need you to look at it, Jeff, because I couldn't tell where your sheetrock, and I don't want you to have it.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay,
That's
we're okay
good.
right there for now.
That's good. Now we can kick it left to right a little bit, yeah?
Very little, maybe 3 to 4 inches.
That's
maybe.
all I need to do. I'll take it just a touch over this way.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, we're doing kind of an industrial look here.
Gotcha. All right, as long as that's all right, we good. All right, cool. this goes in the dumpster. This one, you know what, let's take it, we'll take it. Go back my tools. Pipe dope.
Do I need to go up top and check the,
Oh, yeah, you can look, see, everything is run, so whatever you need done, we're gonna come and change
okay,
it.
we're putting a new roof on next.
Oh, good. All you gotta do, cause what they'll do is they'll lift the flashing, real easy, cause nothing screws.
Yeah.
Lift the flashing, do the roof, and they put the flashing right back.
And we'll probably put a roof boot on it or something like that.
Well, it's already got a roof cap.
Oh, it does,
Yeah,
okay. Yeah.
you can see it from the back if you go back there.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see it. It's a little bit higher than what I think I'm gonna keep. It's 5 feet. I'm gonna get a 3-foot stick, so it drops down almost about halfway, because it's a little too high right now, but I know that.
Let me tell you the story. This is an HVAC guy's story. There's a house in Colorado these guys were building. They built this house.